Welcome to another picking video. What I have for you today, this is a BKS lock with a BKS core. It's removable, and not sure if this is the model, but I assume this is the model of the key mostly, but anyway, maybe it's model VS50. That's what the key looks like. 6-pin, very interesting. Interesting feature of this lock is this cut here, which actually will make very difficult for the lock to be shimmed. That's at least my opinion. There are locking poles and it's key retaining. And one of also very nice feature are these rubber bands here, which are actually protecting the lock, the insides of the lock from weather, so from water mostly. And all in all, it's quite a hefty little lock. Well, it's not that little, I assume it's about 50 millimeters. What's interesting about this lock is the keyway is quite large. I mean, if you compare it to a normal pick, this one is from Sparrows, this is huge. Nevertheless, the lock is not really that easy to pick, to be quite honest. I've managed to pick it a few times, but I do pick it unreliably. So let's have a look and see if I can pick it on camera. There are no security pins, at least from what I can feel, but you can very easily overset the pins, and that's can be really frustrating. I think that was pin number 6. Maybe we even fill in something like a full set. No, that is a first, to be quite honest. Okay, this time it went faster than I expected. Okay, let me see if I can quickly get this thing. Right, so make making a bit of a mess, but these are the key pins. I'll find how they were in a moment. And let's see, this is number 5 and number 6, 21. So as I expected, these are standard pins. Let's see, maybe there is a spool somewhere here. Okay, that's number 1, it's a spool. Number 2, also a spool. Number 3, oh, it's like a anti-bump pin or something like a T-pin. That would explain it. So is number 4. Okay, let's go from the back. Number 6 is standard. Sorry, 6. And number 5 is also a standard. Okay, that's actually it, I guess. Copper springs, I will not remove them. Cool. So I am fairly surprised by this lock, quite honestly. There's nothing special about the cylinder. I don't see anything, at least. But nevertheless, the lock is quite intimidating. I do like this BKS, regardless that the key and the keyway is so big. It's quite a good lock. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching, appreciate it, and I'll see you next time. Oh, before I see you next time, here's a close-up of the pins. Sorry, I forgot. Short addendum to the video. Now I understand why this lock was so hard to pick. You can see that pin number 2 is actually at its, let's say, most maximum cut. So the moment you touch it, you overset it. And the same goes for pin number 4. Which means that spool number 2 and T-pin number 4 actually don't play any role in the picking. They don't really engage. Maybe pin number 4 a little bit. Funnily enough, as I said, until now I did not feel that there was a spool at number 1. This time, luckily, actually engaged, but that's the only security pin that here definitely engages. I mean the spool. And number 3 is the other kind of a T-pin which also engages. So anyway, not a bad lock at all. I definitely like it. Okay guys, see you next time. Bye.